Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I will explain the option hopper in Catia V5 sheet metal modeling. What does this command do means? See, I select this option hopper. It adds a sheet to the surface. To use this option, we need to create a surface and we have to select that surface. Means all the options in the sheet metal creates a flat sheet or any stampings, a sheet on the edge like bends we can create. If we want a sheet of some curved shape like a revolve shape, cylindrical shape, tapered conical shape like that, we need to use this hopper. First we need to create that shape in surface modeling and we need to get that surface into sheet metal modeling, means this workbench, and we need to apply this command and we need to select that surface. For that I go to generative shape design. First I select one surface which is of a simple open surface, not closed one. I take this plane like this, then exit workbench, then generate a surface to this curve, some 40 mm I entered, total 80 mm surface. Now I go to sheet metal modeling, start mechanical design, generative sheet metal design. Then to add sheet onto this surface, simple option, go to hopper, then select surface. Now you can see the flat view, the flat length of the sheet, then either above the surface or below the surface you can add the sheet by moving this direction, arrow direction. Click on that. Then if it is an open surface like this, simply select that surface and go for OK. Then the sheet is added to the surface with the given thickness. So whatever the parameter in sheet metal parameter, we enter the thickness, that thickness is carried onto the sheet. This type of thickness we can also use thick surface in part design. But if we go to part design and if we add thickness to the sheet, we can't unfold that sheet. Means we can't calculate the full length of the sheet. Whereas in sheet metal modeling, if you add sheet by using this hopper, see, you can go for a flat sheet. See, fold unfold. Then you can check the length of the flat sheet required to get this curved output. So the length is 327 something mm. So like this we need to use hopper. As it is, I again select fold unfold, then it takes a curved form. Then if the surface is closed one, see, I delete this sheet, I delete the surface, I double click this sketch, I delete this sketch, a conical shape surface I generate, exit, go to surface modeling, start generative shape design. Now I go for a revolve option in surface modeling to generate 360 degrees surface of this conical surface. I select a revolution axis, right click, Z axis. I enter 360 degrees like this. Now it is a closed surface. Now we get back into generative sheet metal design. Now as in case before, we just selected the surface and we got the output, but if the surface is closed, hopper, directly you won't get the output, means the sheet will not add by simply selecting onto the surface. See here, OK, you can't select OK, it is deactivated. So if the surface is closed one, to add sheet to that closed surface, reference wire, just select the reference wire as this sketch, then invariant point, either start or end. Just select either start or end of the sketch, start point or end point. Then you can see the sheet is, the flattened sheet is shown. Then go for OK. Like this, we need to use hopper. To check its unfolded view, then go for fold unfold. See, like this, we can take dimension or a drawing of this unfolded view, and we can generate a sheet in this shape. Now the sketch is straight, means line we took. If we take a curved profile, a curved cylindrical surface, then we check with the hopper whether we can create on a curved surface or not. See, I delete this hopper now. I delete this revolute command. I double click this. Now I go to spline, exit, start, shape, generative shape design. Then I go for revolve option. I select this profile and axis. Now it is in a curved form. Then revolve to 360 degrees, full revolved surface. Then I get back into start, generative shape design, generative sheet metal design. Now go for hopper. As it is a closed surface, we won't get directly the output by just selecting the surface. I want the sheet added to the outside of the surface. Then, as in previous case, we selected a closed surface. Along with that, in reference wire option, we selected that sketch and invariant point. If we select invariant point like this, then preview or go for OK. Then as it is now curved surface, let me check whether the sheet will be added to that surface or not. It's taking time. See, you can see the error, the distortion data completion failed. It failed to generate the output. So in this case, what we need to do, if it is a straight surface, even though it is closed, we got the output. But in this case, select hopper, select surface, reference wire this one, keep the thickness sheet adding outside, invariant point, select either start or end point of the sketch. Now here we need to select tier wires. See, tier wires, we need to again select that sketch. We have to select that sketch again in this option, then go for OK. Now the sheet is generated. Now you can unfold that sheet and you can calculate the dimensions. You can take the dimensions. I hide this revolve. See, this is an unfolded view of that closed cylindrical surface. just it shows a flattened view. Then cut the flat sheet in this form, then revolve that sheet, then revolve that sheet, then you get then we get the output like this. Like this, any form, any curved output, if we want to generate that in sheet metal modeling, first generate that in surface and apply hopper in sheet metal workbench. Then I select this and I apply a color like this. This is a sheet metal part. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD system.